Hey everyone, this is Dimitri from Afronovo School Online. Today's video is going to be about a choreography, a small choreography, very simple, a nice routine for you guys who just started Afro House. So stay connected, it's going to be lit. Okay, so this choreography is going to be 3/8. So we're going to do 3/8. First 8 is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First step, you want to send your right foot to the right. So you go 1, like this. 1, and then with the left foot, 2. One more time. 1, 2. Then you want to cross with your right foot first, and your left foot again after. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, cross, cross. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 you uncross, 6 you will uncross again. So we start from here. 1, 2, 3 with your hand, 4 with your hand. From the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to see your arms move with it because it's the whole groove of Afro House. You want to have all the body parts moving with your feet. So you're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to try the first 8, not in music, and after in music, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, cross, cross, shoulder, 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 shoulder. In music, 5, 8. So very simple. It's the most simple step in the choreography. So you guys want to go, I'm going to show on the side so you guys can see what I'm doing. So we're going to go front, behind, front, in the ear. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to show you again. In front, behind, in front, in the ear. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you want to do this step twice, one after the other. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3 in the ear, like this, and then do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit more faster. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to have some attitude with it because the shoulders, as I told you, is very important in Afro House, and all of the body needs to move with the step. So just don't go like, no. You want to have some attitude. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do like this, or as you wish, like ta, 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 ta. You can even block when you're in the ear. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now when you so guys, here is it, the last step of the choreography. So we're gonna start back from where we was in the ear, sorry. So from here, you're gonna cross the right leg behind the left. 1, uncross, 2, 3 in the ear, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, more slowly. So from here, we're gonna cross the right leg behind the left, 1, then uncross this one, 2. So you're here. Then you're gonna cross the right leg, but in the ear. I don't wanna see your feet on the ground, in the ear. So like, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you want to twist the leg, and I want you guys to concentrate on the heel, because the heel on the hip will be the solution for you guys to do the movement correctly. So you want to twist the heel outside, like this, like so, sorry. 1, like this. 1 and the hip. 1, 1, okay? And you want to go on your thighs, okay? So 1, 2, come back, 3, 4. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The second 8 from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The third 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As I was telling you, I want to see arm movements when doing every move in the choreography. So it's the same thing for the third 8. When you're here, you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment if the video was pleasing to you. We have also a website, Afronovo.com, where you guys can see everything that we do in a daily manner, videos or t-shirts also. And you'll see all of this in the description box below. Peace, and see you in the next video.
Não faz isso, bela, bela, não faz